in real life application. Make a little jig, do a little dance, get down tonight. For demonstration purposes, this would be nice to do on a bandsaw if I had one that would behave. And I'm just gonna put a wee bevel on this. Ta-da! The objective now is to see where I screwed up on my line. Leave the line, no matter what, even if there's a house fire. And if you can remember that, then some of this is pretty easy. The first 1/8 of an inch is really all I'm trying to kind of smooth out here. Because everything that's not smooth here, the bearing, it's gonna find and follow. It would be nice if you were following something that wasn't like bump, 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 like a bumpy road. Not too bad. All you gotta do is clean up that little 1/8 inch of solid. You just drop your bearing down about a little bit beyond that, and you're good to go. No bandsaw, no CNC. I didn't make a jig other than this one. A little easier on the fly. I don't mind doing that. See? Simple. Any idiot can do this.
Looks like you made simple work of a complicated piece of a simple bench. Stay safe, stay busy, and stay tuned.